2024 was an important year for artificial intelligence. On the one hand, amazing achievements were honored with the Nobel Prize for the benefits to humanity. On the other hand, attempts were made to tame the enormous risks through an international agreement on AI and human rights and through the EU's AI Act. In this episode, however, we want to focus on the positive side, how AI can make life easier, especially in the area of customs and international trade. I'm Enrika Naujokė, CEO of CustomsClear. My background spans several areas: customs, education, and business. I'm especially interested in following areas: how can AI enhance human intelligence, and how can we ensure that we don't outsource our thinking to AI? Regarding the latter, I believe that education has to play an important role. Please also meet my colleague, Ramūnas.
Hello, I am Ramūnas Šablinskas, the Senior Scientific Researcher in CustomsClear. I have a doctoral degree in computer science and I've been working in IT areas for more than 30 years, while AI systems, neural networks, had been the topics of my investigation since my master's studies in Vytautas Magnus University. The conversational AI technologies have been in rapid development over the last few years. The main distinction of those technologies from mundane IT solutions is the possibility to construct systems which work with the meaning of information, the semantic aspect of the text.
Together with other members of the CustomsClear team and partners, we set out to simplify the complex legal world of customs and trade, at least a little. And we're pleased to announce our first achievement on 31st January 2024. An AI assistant called Matas, developed by us, was launched on the Lithuanian Customs website. It answers questions about customs clearance of postal and e-commerce shipments. Ramūnai, can you demonstrate this and describe some of the features?
Okay, now you see on the screen the Lithuanian Customs website, which is equipped with the icon which allows you to activate the conversational assistant. And of course, all the website and the assistant itself, they're using Lithuanian language to communicate. But the solution also allows the automatic language adjustment, translation to any existing EU language. So you can state your questions in your favorite language and you will receive the responses in the language you asked. So let us try and ask, how can I do import declaration myself without using a customs broker? And you see that it provides quite a detailed answer with the links to the material in the website. I'll also use a German language and will make some deliberate mistakes while doing it. And you see that I used, instead of errore, I used errore term. But the assistant understands the context and it recognizes the typos and it provides the translation into the German language, and it also gives me the references to the source material. And the assistant recognizes that I'm using the English language again, and it switches and provides the exact definition of the abbreviation I asked. So this precision is only possible in the dedicated systems like this, because if you go to the Google and try to search with the ChatGPT, for example, you will get quite a lot of different definitions. So this precision is achieved because of the context we are using.
Thank you, Ramūnai. Indeed, the technology is amazing. And I would like also to mention that this is also because the human is in the loop. All the reference links and data that goes into the conversational AI assistant is curated by experts. Ramone, and I have one more question to you. One of the biggest issues of large language models is hallucination, that is making up answers. Can users of Matas encounter this issue?
Well, the term hallucination is not accurate because the AI system and the various expert systems in the web, they work on the basis of information they receive during the training. So they have some understanding, they acquire understanding of the knowledge domain. And when asked some question, they dig into this understanding and try to construct their response based on this information stored in their framework. In a way, every response is a form of hallucination. Just in some cases, this hallucination matches the data stored in the system. We have constructed our solution to avoid memorization of information. So we rather provide the AI assistant with some curated source materials from the knowledge layer we call knowledge library. So the AI assistant analyzes this information before deciding to use it in its response. In cases when the knowledge library does not provide this semantically relevant response materials, the assistant provide a simple statement that it did not find the answer, so it doesn't know the response. And such a framework allows to provide most accurate responses and to eliminate hallucinations in cases when answer is not contained in the source material.
Thank you. Finally, I would like to highlight the main benefits of Matas for Lithuanian customs customers: 24/7 service and standardized answers. And of course, with Matas working together, the experts of the customs customer service department save time to focus on more complex issues. In the next episode, we will introduce another AI assistant. We are also planning various episodes on different AI-related aspects, so stay tuned. And of course, feel free to reach out to us if you want to learn more about how an AI assistant specialized in customs and trade can make your compliance team or services more efficient. Thank you.